So, you are a TikTok creator or TikTok refugee, and you are trying to move over to other platforms, and you've realized, hey, having all of my eggs in one basket isn't necessarily the best thing to do, or they're looking for a new platform to sort of figure things out. This video series is for you. Where I'm going to be segmenting each video. When I mention stuff, I am going to have addendums for people with executive dysfunction like myself who find some level of difficulty going with other platforms. Now that you don't have TikTok as a crutch and you have to go at other places, I'm going to give you some strategies to help make this transition easy for you as well. I'm going to cover everything from posting videos, the differences between TikTok and YouTube, and sort of like the changes that you're going to be dealing with there. Instagram Reels is kind of a deluge of hate and toxicity. Even compared to YouTube, we're going to focus on YouTube, and as well as how to build your community. So in a way that if you decide to go to places other than just YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, they will be able to, you will have a hub to follow you, and we'll be covering all of this with multiple different options. As far as like why you should listen to me, I've been a content creator on the internet for about 5 years now. I am relatively confident in what I know. I have grown very slowly and surely to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, 3,000 and a half on TikTok, and about 300 followers on Twitch. I'm also an affiliate on Twitch. I know a lot. I have been in this space for a while, and normally, when I do consulting and stuff for people, people pay me, and given the current state of the internet right now and how so many of my associates on TikTok are sort of like fleeing in terror of the US government at the moment, I thought, it is my responsibility to my community to, at least to impart this knowledge in a manner that is useful. So, enjoy this video series. I'm going to segment everything out so it's convenient for you, but I will be leading every video with. If you haven't watched the intro in the playlist this is in yet, go watch that first. That way, you understand that whether you are a neurotypical person trying to find a new place and you just don't know what to do yet, whether you're neurodivergent and you have a certain level of executive dysfunction that's making it very difficult, I have plenty of things here to share with you and make this process easier. Thank you so much. Let's get started, shall we?